Hello scholars, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to start with chapter 22 from our grammar book. So I want you all to get ready with your cornerstone books. Open page number 116. Let's read the chapter name. CONJUNCTIONS. Conjunctions. Okay, now what are conjunctions? We already learned in grade 2 and, or, but, because these words are called conjunctions. Where do we use them and why? Let's learn them here. Okay, now firstly, there is a paragraph in the first page number 116. Do you see that? Let's read what is the question written in blue. Underline the joining words in this passage. Okay, let's underline the joining words. Reena and Ricky are going to a party. Here, do you see any joining word? Reena and, A-N-D, and, underline. Reena has many dresses but can't decide which one to wear. B-U-T, but. Should she wear the purple dress or a pair of blue jeans? Or, underline or. Ricky says she should choose fast because they are getting late. Because. So do you see these joining words are joining either two words or they are joining two sentences. Okay. So hence these joining words are also called as conjunctions. Okay. They join words or sentences. Now look at the definition written in the yellow box, the first box. A conjunction is a word that join words, group of words or sentences. And the conjunction and is used to join words and sentences. Yes. When are we using the conjunction and? These are used to join words and sentences together. Okay, put them together. Alright. Like for example, do you see the same page? Ananya has a dog. Ananya has a cat. This sentence is about Ananya, that she has a dog, she has a cat. So we can join the words here. The sentences can be joined without not repeating the same words. Like Ananya has a dog and a cat. We have joined these two sentences using the conjunction and. Look at the next example. I tripped over a stone. I fell down. Two sentences, right? Now how do we join them? I tripped over a stone and fell down. Yes, that's how we join two sentences using the conjunction and. Alright. Now look at page number 117. Firstly, when do we use the conjunction but? Children, we use but whenever we talk about two sentences that have opposite ideas or that are telling about two opposite things. Okay? So look at the example here. The cottage is small. The cottage is clean. Here, it means that the cottage still being small, it is still clean. Alright? So two different opposite ideas, isn't it? So how do we join them? The cottage is small but clean. It is about cottage, right? So we join them and not repeating the words, we have added but in between. Anish ran after the bus. Anish could not catch it. So he ran after the bus, but he could not catch it. So how do we write it using but? Anish ran after the bus but could not catch it. Got it? Mummy had made dosas. Nobody was hungry. Mummy made something, but at that time nobody was hungry. Two opposite ideas, isn't it? So how do we join? By using but. Mummy had made dosas, but nobody was hungry. Alright. Now look at the one in yellow box. The conjunction or is used to join words or sentences that offer a choice. Yes, whenever we speak about more than one thing, giving a choice or speaking about something that has more than one option, then we use the conjunction or. Okay, now for example, look here. You can buy a book on ghosts. You can buy a book on magic. So there are two options, a book on ghosts, a book on magic. So how we can join them? You can buy a book on ghosts or a book on magic. Alright? Because there are two options, two choices. Yes, so we use or in between. Next, Aunt Jaya will come to pick me up. Payal Didi will come to pick me up. Okay, so there are two options that one of these can come to pick, right? So how do we add? Aunt Jaya or Payal Didi will come to pick me up. Both, okay, out of these two, one can come to pick up. So that's why or. Now when do we use because, the conjunction because? Yes, we use because when we are giving a reason, okay, that if something is happening, why it is happening, okay, when you give a reason along with the sentence of why it is happening, you use because in between as a joining word. For example, look here. Vignesh did not go to school. Vignesh is ill. Vignesh, why he did not go to school? He's ill. So how do you join it? Vignesh did not go to school because he is ill. Alright. In the same way, the next one, the mouse ran into its hole. It had seen the cat. Why did the mouse ran into the hole? As it has seen a cat. Yes, so that's why. So how we rewrite it? The mouse ran into its hole because it had seen the cat. I hope it is clear to everybody. Yes, now let's do the exercise in page 118. Join each pair of sentences using the correct conjunction given in brackets. Rewrite the new sentences in your notebook. Okay, and there is no sufficient place to, so you have to rewrite them in your copies. Firstly, let's choose the right conjunction. First one, Chetan went to school on Saturday. Kailash went to school on Saturday. So they both went on Saturday, right? So you can join them using the word and, joining word and. Okay. Rohit fell ill. He went out in the rain. Rohit fell ill. What is the reason? Why? He went out in the rain. How you can join when there is a reason? Because, using because. Rohit fell ill because he went out in the rain. Number 3. We went on a picnic. We did not enjoy ourselves. Two opposite ideas. One, they went on a picnic but did not enjoy. B-U-T, but is the joining word. Is that your father? Is that your uncle? Asking with a choice. So what do we use? Or. Is that your father or uncle? Mona was sad. Mona could not go to the party. Mona was sad. And what is the reason? There is a reason mentioned. So what do we use? Because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. I can read this storybook. I can play chess. So somebody can do both the, with an option it can be done, right? A choice is given. So I can read the storybook or play chess. Look at the moon, look at the stars. So look at the moon and the stars. Yes? Now look at section B. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions given in the box. You have to fill in the right ones. Alright? So this will be your homework. You have to do it yourself. And then the answers are displayed on the screen. Cross-check. Okay? So what did we learn in this chapter, children? That a conjunction is a word that joins words, group of words, or sentences. And what are these conjunctions? And, or, but, because. Okay? So there is a worksheet related to this chapter in the link provided below. Open the PDF, complete the worksheet. Alright? And I will see you in the next class. Till then, be safe at home and take care.